students. Let us learn about the lesson entrepreneurship today. First, let us know the meaning. The word entrepreneur is derived from the French word entreprendre, which means to undertake some activity. Here, entrepreneur is a innovator of new ideas and business processes. That means a businessman, he possesses management skills. He should have strong team building abilities and essential leadership qualities to manage the business. He decides what, how, and how much of goods and services to be produced. In simple words, to say, he is someone who pursues opportunity, organizes resources needed for exploiting the opportunity, and exploits it. For example, students, you have seen the computers, mobile phones, washing machines, ATMs, courier service, and instant foods are some of the examples of entrepreneurs' ideas that got converted into products or services. Now, let us know about entrepreneurship. It is a creative activity. It is the ability to create and build something. When someone has a different type of ideas, plans in his mind, he wants to do it successfully. So, here, what characteristics he should have? First of all, he should have a creativity mind. He should have dynamic qualities, team building. He should know how to solve the problems. He should be able to take the risk. He should be committed towards the uh, business. Then he should have innovative ideas, leadership qualities, achievement motivation. He should be goal oriented. He should have decision making qualities, and lastly, he should be self confidence. Now, let us know the functions. Entrepreneur starts business activity by preparing various plans. First of all, he should have various plans in his mind. Then, he organizes factors of production. He takes decisions about the products, the technology, marketing, employment, etc. He coordinates the things effectively. Step by step, he has to keep the things. Then he introduces new methods into practices. Then he handles budget of his concern. He should know the budget also, how much money is needed. He bears the risk and uncertainty. And lastly, he gives directions to the business firms and ensures its effective operation. Now, what is the role of an entrepreneur? First is he promotes capital, that means money. Then provides large scale employment to artisans, technically qualified persons, and professionals. Then, third role, he helps the country to increase the gross domestic product and per capita income. Fourth, he encourages effective mobilization of skill, bringing in new products and services. He enables the people to avail better quality goods at lower price. He promotes development of industries. Then contributes towards the development of society by reducing concentration of income and wealth. Eighth point, he promotes countries' export trade also. And lastly, he works in an environment of changing technology and try to maximize the profits by innovations. That means different ideas. Now, what is the importance of this? He occupies a central position in the market economy. It is like a spark plug. How a bike, there is a spark plug. Without that, it is not going to start. So here, entrepreneur is like a spark plug, and so they must be encouraged and rewarded also. Such type of entrepreneur activities tends to value addition and creation of wealth, which is very essential for the industrial and economic development of the country. Self employment opportunities for entrepreneurship. So, here, what do you mean by self employed? It means you have seen the corner tea shop or a scrap dealer and the internet cyber shops are some of the examples of self employed entrepreneurship. So, here the government of India has been at the forefront to promote private entrepreneurship by providing the right socio-economic ecosystem for innovation and development. Any individual who is interested in setting up a unit has a vast opportunity to select any form of business which he or she, it cannot be only he, she also can think about it. She thinks feasible. For example, they can select business such as advertisement agencies, marketing consultancy, industrial consultancy, equipment rental and leasing, photocopying centers, industrial research and development, etc. Next is self employment schemes. So, for all the businesses, finance is most important. It is one of the essential requirement to start an enterprise. So, to meet these requirements, the government, both at the central and the state levels, have set up several financial institutions. So, you have uh, come across so many various banks like the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD, then Industrial Development Bank of India, then Export and Import Bank, etc. So there are so many important financial institutions which will help. Next is promotional organizations. That means a number of promoting agencies and institutions have been set up to help emerging entrepreneurs to start, especially small and medium scale enterprises. These institutions, what do? They support the entrepreneurs in respect of training, financing, and marketing. Some institutions are like TCO, that means Technical Consultancy Organizations, and Khadi and Village Industries Corporation, KVIC, etc. Now, let us know some of the successful entrepreneurs. First, let us know about Dr. Pratap Reddy. He developed India's first hospital group, the Apollo Hospitals. You must have heard about it. The idea came to Dr. Reddy when a patient who could not make it to go to Texas in America for open heart surgery. So, Dr. Reddy created a medical infrastructure in India which made medical care more affordable and accessible for everyone. Narayan Murthy, he is one of the founders of Infosys Technologies Limited, the first Indian company to be listed on NASDAQ. By 2006, the company employed over 50,000 people and had a turnover of $2 billion. Murthy has always believed that honesty, transparency, and moral integrity are the key factors for the success. Verghese Kurien, he is the renowned Indian social entrepreneur and is best known as the father of the White Revolution for his millions of liters of milk flow. Amul milk and milk products is the achievement of Kurien. Dhirubhai Ambani, he is the most enterprising Indian entrepreneur. His life journey is very interesting. He is remembered as one who rewrote Indian corporate history and built a truly global corporate group. Azim Premji, he is the chairman of Wipro Technologies, who is one of the largest software companies in India. When he was a student, Premji was summoned home due to the death of his father. During the annual general body meeting, one of the shareholders advised Premji to sell his shares. This made him more determined to make his company a successful enterprise. Ekta Kapoor, she is known as the queen of Indian television sector. She is the creative director of Balaji Telefilms, and at 19 she ventured into TV production arena. Kiran Majumdar Shah, she is the chairman and managing director of Biocon Limited, the largest biotechnology company in India. Naresh Goyal, he is the founder and chairman of Jet Airways. It is India's largest domestic airlines under private sector. So this is all about the lesson, students. Thank you.